Dave here, and we are going to take a look at two job sites this morning. One is the two-family that we're wrapping up, and the other one is that split-level transformation. So we're going to go over there. We have crews at both sites, and the two-family we're just about completed, another week away. And the split-level, we have the siding crew there, we have the utility crews there, and we're going to go over there and take a look at both of these right now. And we are on location of this multi-family home transformation, and we are in between coats of the hardwood floor. We had this particular 3 1/4 oak flooring stained, and we had our first coat of polyurethane. We're gonna have one more coat, and then the floors are complete, and then we're just about done with this entire home transformation. I'm gonna show you the first floor right now. It looks amazing. Guys, you walk in the front door and take a look at these floors. 3 1/4 inch oak plank flooring. Look at this open floor plan straight across front to back. You remember this house from the very beginning. This was a first floor apartment, had about 7 rooms in it. We opened everything up. We opened up the top floor, which used to be the second floor apartment, and we made it into one house. And then behind that wall is Mom's apartment. And just look at this first floor now. Front to back, open floor plan, beautiful dining, ceiling here, crown moldings. Look at this open kitchen. We had the cabinetry installed, beautiful quartz tops, and we have the espresso cabinetry. Countertop was installed, the backsplash was installed. Everything's in place. We just have a little bit more to go. We're gonna finish up this second coat of the polyurethane, and then my painting crew comes in. We'll touch up, and we'll start installing the final pieces. One more week, and this place is done. But look at how nice this came out. All the way through, front to back. Extra wide moldings, the painting package, kitchen design we handled with the customer, with our kitchen designer. Pendant lights. Look at the size of this island. This place looks amazing. All right, guys, so that was a quick view of the first floor of the main house. Now we're gonna go into the back apartment, Mom's apartment, and we're gonna take a look and see what this place looks like. Let's go inside. All right. Guys, this place looks amazing. Look at this little apartment. Now, Mom used to have the top floor of the two-family, and now she has a brand new apartment. Now remember, this isn't complete. Still a little bit of touching up to do, but look at this beautiful kitchen. We have the backsplash on there. All the appliances are in place. Beautiful crown moldings, and we put the Eden Island assembled with the countertop and a little backsplash. You can see some touch-up spots that we're gonna have there for the painters. And as you walk in, you have your laundry now. Everything's come together. You get an idea of how this place looks now. Look, we even have the under cabinet lighting for Mom, and recessed lighting, all separated. You're gonna have a couch here. She'll have her wall mount TV. There's a nice pantry over here. Look at the bedroom. Look at how nice this looks. She has her fan in. We have the closet package all assembled in here. This place really came out nice. And then she has her bathroom, which is, I'm not gonna walk in there, so I don't wanna walk on the floor, but she has her shower door in place, handheld bar, and the vanity. This place really came out nice. All right, guys, look at this house now, the transformation going on. Now you can see the old siding, the original clapboard. We removed a aluminum siding that was atop that, and right now we're installing the gray siding up the sides, and we have the back and the other side complete. But you can see how nice this is gonna look when we finish up this house. We're gonna have black gutters and leaders on here. We're gonna have the black railings on the front by the front door. We also, in this particular job, we added that whole add a level on the right side We changed the overhangs on this side of the house so that it matches the other side. Just look at this. We're moving along. We're on our second day of siding. Another day or two, we'll wrap this up. Let's walk around the back. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, we have 2 on the left side of the house, 2 on the rear, wrapping up the back. And look at the difference between the old siding and the new. You can see over here, we covered up a window, and we put a brand new window in the back on that bedroom. And just with the white trim and the gray siding, it looks amazing. And once we put the black gutters and leaders on here, this place is really going to pop. It's really going to stand out. Be a whole entire house for this family when they move back in. You can see how nice and neat this addition is. We connected it to the house here, and it looks like it's a natural part of the house. It was there from the beginning. And this is the extension. There used to be like a little porch back, like the one at the neighbor's house there. We removed it and put a brand new footing and foundation in, built this first floor, and then the master bedroom suite above that. And you can see the roof lines nicely connect into the original house. And now we're just re-siding everything. We're gonna make it look brand new. These are we have a couple of replacement windows that were there. We changed the windows to replacement. That's a new construction window, and you can see they match up perfectly. 2 different companies, and this place is just really coming along nice. All right, let's take a look inside. We have the utilities going in, and they're wrapping up the electric installation, so we'll take a quick look in there. All right, and as we're walking through here, you can see we have the kitchen, all the plumbing is in, the electrical lines, we have the HVAC. Here's the pantry, and that opens up all the way across. You can see our flush headers that we have. And this whole half of the house has been remodeled. And now we'll go upstairs. I'll show you the master bedroom suite. All right, we're going up the steps, and you can see we have the window that I pointed out outside. This is a new construction window also that we put in place for the bedroom. We pulled out an old little sliding window. And as we go up the steps here, now you can see the inside, all the utilities installed. We have the HVAC, electric, and everything's in place. We're going to get this place cleaned up shortly. And there's the more HVAC. And as we walk through here, now this is a closet that's going to allow access into the original attic. And here is the laundry with the dryer, the washer, everything's in place. And as we step over here, this is the master bedroom suite. Look at the size of this walk-in closet over here. Everything is coming along nicely. Beautiful 10-foot tray ceiling, large windows. This whole thing, area right here, master bathroom with the private toilet. All the piping is set in place. Custom shower. Recessed lighting over the custom shower. And we'll have the double vanity and a private toilet area right over here. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. And I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.